Hey guys, I'm going to show you how we make our blocks today. So after we cut them, I go ahead and sand them on the sides so they're smooth. Now we paint them so they actually have color. Now over here we ran out of room, so we're actually improvising with that foam material, and I'm painting the gray over there. And now it's the next day, and we're giving them a second coat so they look brighter as that color. Now we're flipping the blocks to the side so that we can color the sides of the block so they're all one color. And this is where I choose all the fonts and the block sizes for the vinyl. These are the final products. Now this is the machine cutting it out. Now I'm weeding it. Weeding means I'm taking the outside off so it shows the letter. Now this is my dad putting the backing on to make it sticky so it sticks to the block. Now we're putting the vinyl on the blocks so it has words. And these are the final products: Falcons, Hawks, and Detroit Lions.